The Wesco long fork pallet truck is used for moving extra long pallets. It features 7-inch mold-on polyurethane steering wheels and 3-inch mold-on poly load wheels, entry and exit rollers, reinforced steel forks with adjustable connecting rods to ensure that the forks lift evenly, and a rubber-coated handle. The pump comes with a 2-year warranty and features an internal overload bypass to protect the pump from damage in case the load is heavier than the 4,400-pound capacity. Wesco long pallet trucks come in 2 sizes, 70-inch forks and 78-inch forks. The 78-inch model can handle 2 standard size 40 by 48-inch pallets at the same time.